Here is the exact process to turn a boring, hard-to-follow screen recording from this to this. To make tutorial videos that clearly guide viewers through every step, you will discover how to nail your delivery with a built-in teleprompter. Let AI instantly remove filler words and use annotations to keep your audience locked in. And before assuming pro-level tutorials take hours to edit, watch how the AI tutorial video maker, FocuSee, handles the entire workflow. The results are easy to follow and look incredibly premium. It only takes a few minutes. Before hitting record, jot down your main points. A simple script keeps thoughts organized when you create tutorials. Grab the setup checklist in the description below. Next, open FocuSee and put the script into the teleprompter. Don't worry, your teleprompter and script won't be recorded in your video. FocuSee will then record your screen, audio, and camera feed independently. Then start recording. Master your flow and never worry about forgetting your lines again. Now watch your video transform layer by layer. First, auto zoom instantly applies to every click with smooth cursor animations. It happens naturally, keeping viewers locked on the action. Plus, screen keystrokes are clearly displayed, so viewers never miss a step. Faced with a lengthy raw recording, you no longer need to manually hunt for every filler word and silent gap. Just one click lets AI automatically identify and remove them to quickly finish your rough cut. Every clip transitions naturally. Compared to searching frame by frame, this is exactly how AI automated editing drastically boosts your efficiency. Next layer, clarity. For complex interfaces, simply add annotations to clearly map out your logic and processing steps, or add text boxes to explain the current main progress. Your audience will never squint at a shaky cursor, wondering where to click next. Want ultimate focus? Add a spotlight effect to say, "Look right here, and here's why it matters." This is how a pro tutorial video creator guides attention. Finally, the ultimate polish. Let AI handle audio noise reduction and voice enhancement with just one click. Imagine hitting publish and watching the engagement roll in. Build an eye-catching and stunning tutorial video in minutes. Try FocuSee, your go-to tutorial video maker, today.